Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Tanveer, director and co-founder from English Learning Zone. This video I'll be describing on the very important topic of our life, that how to practice English at home. It's a very important topic. We really want to speak in English, but we can't be fluent that we really want to be. And for that, this video will be very helpful for those students who actually can know how to make sentences, how to speak something in English, so they can easily be helpful from this process. And we have a this process, and this is very useful process that is on my personal experience, that I have been benefited a lot by using this formula. So I'll be sharing this formula to you, the how I recovered my inertia, how I become a fluent from a not fluent, obviously. First of all, before it will be working on you whenever you are alone time, whenever you alone, when you have some time. It needs a 30 minutes process. If you have 30 minutes, very enough per day to improve your English gradually. So what you need to do, first of all, you need to choose a topic. The number one is you have to choose a topic. The topic will not be very much difficult. The topic will be very easiest topic, like say for example, I can give it to you is some daily life. It can be about your family members, about your childhood memories, about your sports, about your past memories. So it's very easy topic that you're very much comfortable to use some sentences, to produce some sentences. So after choose the topic, then you have come to the number two, that you have to think the sentences that actually you want to speak up. Yeah, you have to think the sentences of what things you will speak. Suppose if I choose my family members, you can share that about you, for what you can tell about yourself, about your family, about your what does your father do, what does your mom do, what does your sister do, how many siblings you are, what is their occupation, how many family members are situated in your house. So you can make some easy sentences. The quick video I'm giving, and if I really suggest you that you guys just note down the point that I'm delivering on. And after choosing the performing the second step, then you have to really speak up. Yes, you have to really speak up the sentences that you have thought in your mind. You have to speak up as much as you can do. But while speaking up, you have to remember one thing, that you can only speak in English, and you have to really speak in English. No other languages will be permissible to speak up. Suppose you can speak like Bengali in middle of the point, you have to determine that 3-4 minutes I will speak, but this has to be in English. No other language will be permissible in this process. After you finishing your speaking, then come to the next process. This process is about that you have to listen. Oh, first of all, I need to forget to share how will you speak. Whenever you speak up, we all person have the mobile phone. We all person have the mobile phone, and we have the option of voice recording. So whenever you are going to speak up, you just need to do one thing, that you have to start your voice recording so that you can listen it. Yes, my dear audience, this is my next step, that after completing your speech, you have to listen it back. Now the question is that why I am telling you to listen it back, because whenever you are listening, that means that you are judging your quality, you are judging your speech. You have become the own judge of your own speech. So you can judge whether your skills, whether your speech was the good quality, whether your speech was the medium quality, whether you have to improve it a lot. So, and one more thing is very helpful, that suppose whatever you have thought in your thinking process, it might not be you can speak all the things accurately. There might be some gap, there might be some grammatical mistakes, there might be some subjectical mistakes, you can miss some verbs, pronoun. So whatever you have to do, you have to recorrect it whenever you listen, and you have to recorrect it in which things you need to improve. Recorrect it needs some minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Then the last steps is that you have to repeat it back. So while you were doing, you can easily feel that the repeat speech was much better than the speech that you have already performed in the earlier. So it's a very important process. The process I very quickly I need to share it again. First of all, you have to choose a topic. then you have to think the topic. Number 2. Number 3, you have to speak up through the voice recorder. You have to record the voice. Number 3. Number 4 is you have to listen it back. Number 5, you have to recorrect the things if you have missed anything. And number 6, that you have to repeat it and again, so that you can actually be more improved. So this is my video. I hope all of you it will be very helpful for you to improve your English. That's all. Thank you very much. And in the next video, I'll be describing some other things, some other helpful tools that how you can be developing skills as well as English. So till then, be happy and pray for me. This is Tanbir signing off from here, from my office, English Learning Zone. That's all. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.